Are you trying to run a UDP service on Amazon ECS and feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to alias containers running a UDP service, specifically using Logstash. I totally get it. Setting up services that communicate over UDP can be tricky, especially when you want your applications to send messages without worrying about changing IP addresses. It's a common challenge many developers face. Here's the situation we're addressing. One user asked how to run Logstash in a container on ECS to listen for log messages over UDP. They want their apps to send messages to logging.mydomain.com without needing to know the underlying IPs. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? Normally, you might use a CNAME for an Elastic load balancer. But since ELB doesn't support UDP, we need to consider alternatives like service discovery or other simpler solutions. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can simplify your service management on ECS. To begin addressing the user's question, we need to set up a network load balancer, or NLB, in Amazon ECS. This will allow us to handle UDP traffic effectively. Next, the user should configure the NLB to listen for UDP traffic. This involves specifying the listener settings for the desired port. After setting up the NLB, the user needs to register their Logstash container as a target. This ensures that the NLB can route traffic to the container correctly. Now, the user should create a DNS record that points to the NLB. This will allow applications to send logs to a friendly domain name. Finally, the user can test the setup by sending UDP messages to the domain name. This will confirm that the configuration is working as intended. Fun fact, did you know that UDP is often used for applications where speed is more critical than reliability? Think of online gaming or video streaming. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using Amazon Route 53 with DNS round robin. This method includes a Lambda function that updates the Route 53 record whenever your Logstash service in ECS changes state. When your application queries the DNS, it receives one of the IP addresses to communicate directly with the Logstash container. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly review your service discovery setup and DNS records to ensure everything is running smoothly. This can save you headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to alias containers running a UDP service on ECS. Remember, keeping your service discovery updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video.